So we're going to answer this question before us. It says the discriminant of the quadratic equation this is 49 over 4. The possible value of b is what? Okay, the first thing we need to realize here is that they've told me the discriminant is equal to this, 49 on 4. The next thing I can do is say, all right, I know that the discriminant is equal to b squared, and actually I might write it like this just to make it a bit clearer. It's b squared minus 4ac. That's going to be equal to 49 on 4. Now, this is the a, this is the b, and this is the c. And remember, the a is the number in front of the x squared term. The b in this case will just be negative b, and then the c will be negative 3. So that means when I put all this information in, I'm going to take negative b, and I'm going to square it. Minus 4, 1, negative 3 is equal to 49 on 4, which means this is going to become b squared because the negative will go away because a negative times a negative is a positive. And then I've got negative and negative again. This will become plus 12 is equal to 49 on 4. And then, there's a couple of different ways you could do this. You might just want to come here and go menu 3, whoops, that's not the right, menu 3, 1. So it's really good if you can use the 3, 1 instead of like going through the menu and doing all of that. It's just hard for me to do that on the computer. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to take b squared. We're plusing 12. It's equal to 49 on 4. I'm going to solve it for b. My answers are going to be either b is equal to negative a half or b is equal to a half. Now, if we look over here, as you can see, I'm only given a half as my option. And that probably makes sense of the wording of this question. Notice how it says, if we can come over here for a second. Notice how it says a possible value of b. So a possible value of b, once you've used your CAS here, so I'm going to write in what I've done. So solve with CAS. And then b is equal to negative plus or minus. We can say plus or minus a half. That means that C has to be my answer. So of course, you don't have to put working out for a multiple choice question, but hopefully you can look at that working out and be like, yep, that makes sense. Use your CAS efficiently. Make sure you're reading carefully and highlight it as you go. All right, hopefully that made sense. I'll see you in the next one.